Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Krusteaz honey cornbread and muffin mix. So I've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your cornbread mix. We're going to need a bowl to mix everything up in, some vegetable oil, some milk, some cooking spray, a spoon to stir it up with, a measuring cup, and 1 egg, and then you need your pan that you're going to put it in or your muffin tins. I'm just going to use this 8x8 inch disposable foil pan, but you can use whatever you would like. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we need to go ahead and liberally grease our pan or your muffin tins. So I'm going to just take my nonstick cooking spray and use that. And then we're just gonna go ahead and set that aside. Next, let's go ahead and get our box open. All right, we've got that right there. We're gonna go ahead and open that up and pour it into our bowl. Next, we're gonna combine all of our wet ingredients. So we're gonna put in our egg. And now because I'm doing this in a pan, we're gonna use 2/3 of a cup of milk. But if you are doing muffins, then you need to use 1/2 a cup of milk. And then we're gonna go ahead and put in 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, or you could use melted butter. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now that we've got those in there, we're just gonna stir until it's well blended. All right, we've got this blended up and ready. We're gonna go ahead and pour it into our pan and make sure that it's even. All right, now that this is ready to go, we're gonna pop this into the oven for, they recommend 27 to 29 minutes for the size of pan that I'm using. If you are using a muffin pan, I will pop up on the screen right now exactly how long you should be baking this for, but we're basically looking for a light golden brown color. So I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. All right guys, here is our cornbread. It has been exactly 29 minutes in my oven. The center was taking quite a little while to not be jiggly, so I just want to insert a toothpick and make sure that it is fully done. And our toothpick is clean. We've got a nice golden brown color on there. So here is our completed Krusteaz honey cornbread and muffin mix. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.